Well, inside the school is a very somber mood. A lot of the students did not turn up for class this morning, especially the grade 2 class that the little girl belongs to. We have a lot of representatives from the Ministry of Education and other schools within Portmore. The guidance department are giving support to the school at this time. So, based on report that we're getting, that the little girl is in the hospital. She have gone through operation and she are now recovering. I'm hoping that she will fully recover. You know, the mood here in Portmore, we have seen where we have a lot of crime taking place in Portmore, and the cloud that hung over now is just representing those dark days of Portmore. It is a really sad occasion. It's a heartless operations or events that they carry out yesterday to slash an 8-year-old child's throat and leave her to die. I am wondering if that person have any brother, any sister, or any aunt at all to carry out such a gruesome act. I'm appealing to all the schools and residents, parents within the municipality to be your brother's keeper. Look out for the children, because when someone can go to a school and do something like that, what left for them? It is just time when it will become knocking at other people.